Absolutely.
Mhm.
Don't ever trust what a real estate agent puts in the system. Never. There's so many people out here that have doing things backwards and clicking this and clicking that. It's wild. So just this takes, I know we're taking a long time with this, but truthfully, when I did this, it took about 6 minutes, start to finish. Okay. Then you go on a website called greatschools.org. It has every school in America on it. And you look up the schools, just type them in and see what the ranking is. Okay. That's how we got these numbers on our sheet. Why is that important to us? Because when we market, we want to be able to say award-winning schools if it's a 6 or better. If it's a 3, we go amazing youth sports. We do. That's what we do. We do. Truthfully. Yeah. So we either market, because one or the other is happening. You guys know what's happening, right? All right.
Yeah.
All right. So now we got the square footage from our report. When we did our reports, you guys all agree that it was 206 because you saw it here, up to 235. So I'll put, y'all see that, right? Everybody see that?
Yes.
Okay, right here. Okay. This skill, guys, puts a lot of money in my pocket. And agents on our team. It's a beautiful thing.
I'm trying to hold on to my question.
Awesome. Hold on to them. Okay. So we put 206 because it's the average price per square foot. We always add $3 because we know Simone is an underwriter and she has a $5 variance. And we don't want to push her to the limits because her DE certification is worth $135,000 a year. And she's not going to risk that for any freaking real estate agent or loan company in America and go down to $65,000 a year. She's not going to do it. Okay. She likes that 6-figure lifestyle. All right. 206. We added $3 because we want to know the range. I looked up in CompFlow. We know the square footage was 1980 for real, even though tax record said 1947. And now we come with 408 to 413. Y'all see it? The second check we do here is say is 408 to 413 in the range with the tax people
Yes.
told us. 338
Yes.
to 405 is over. It's close, right?
Yeah.
So now we make this bigger. Sorry, y'all. As big as I can go. You ought to stretch in your eyes. Says 200%. 408. So the range is 408 to 413. It's nothing but simple math. And then this is a huge factor. Total days on market is 4. So remember what I told you. At some point, when you're walking through this house, you say, Miss Jones, if I had a buyer paying cash or a briefcase full of it, and I don't, how much would you sell this home for today, right now? And Miss Jones says, 410. AT at 410. I'm like, we can definitely get this house sold. Because we know our numbers are 408 to 413, right? Or she says 450. We immediately say, oh man, how'd you come up with that number, sucker woman? And she tells us. And all we know is at some point we're gonna get back to the kitchen table and I gotta show her all my stuff, my numbers, everything, how I did all this. So she can go, oh, okay, that makes sense. And then she agrees on 408 to 413. And of course, if she agrees anything under 413, we list the house at 399,999 because there are more buyers under 400 than there are above, and we want both buyers. She said, Anthony, I don't care what you list my house for, but I gotta have 410, my brother. That's I'm gonna give you a 1-star review. I said, okay, type at the bottom. Guaranteed listing broker guarantees Melissa Jones $410,000 sale. Really